guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome girl. Hey girl, hey, how you doing? Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn your post notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay?
Ayy, shawty throw it back, baby, gon' shake it. Ayy, keep that shit in motion, keep it rotating. Yeah, she all about the bag, ain't no time wasting. Yeah, she don't want no nigga, baby.
Welcome to my channel. Hey, my name is Quana, all things Quan. Okay, you get what I'm saying? That's me. Anyways, you guys, as y'all read by the title, you already know what's going on. It's another wig install, and this time it's from Nadula. Okay, Nadula T-part wig. Oh, okay, pure. You see her? She's giving Beyonce. She giving Beyonce. That's all I can think of. Giving Beyonce, giving, you know what I'm saying? Like, come on, let's get into the highlights, lowlights. Let's get into it. Like, oh, it's giving. Okay, it's giving the girls what it needs to be gave, ma'am. Okay, very much giving what the girls need to be gave. Okay. So if you want to know any details about this wig, it will be linked down below in the description box as well. And I will have the link to this wig down below as well. Okay, so anything you need to know about this wig is going to be down below. Okay, since it is from the Amazon. Okay, yes, get into it, because like y'all know, anybody that knows me know that, you know, I don't, this is like out of my comfort zone, because I never really had like a wig this color, you feel what I'm saying? But honey, I love it. Okay, I love it. It is super duper cute. Love it. Get it, sis. I swear, like, I was kind of skeptical at first, but I was like, you know, but I came through with the fluffy baby hairs. And this is a T-part, so you already know how, when it comes to the T-part wigs, y'all already know how it goes. You know, you don't have no part of space, but you know, in the middle, and you know, you got the little, probably like an inch of lace on the sides. So you know, you have to be real skeptical with the baby hairs on the sides. So, but you know, she's giving. I don't know how I'm gonna keep her in, cause I'm the type of person that I love color, but I don't keep color in my head long, you know. Cause I'm more of a jet black type of girl, natural black hair color. I'm that type of girl, but I will go and do some color. So yeah, get into it, y'all. Like, your girl did a thing with this wig, baby. Let me stop talking, cause we done got, you know, some minutes in. So yeah, like I said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my social media. It'll be down below in the link. It'll be down below in the description box. Okay, and yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. Let's hop right into this video, y'all, cause what? This is giving. Oh, all right, see y'all.
Alright, so let's hop right into it. My goofy self, as usual. So I'm showing y'all this the wig that I had on before, and don't worry, because I've been having a low ponytail and low ball because, you know, work. So this video today is by Nadula. They sent me some bomb hair. Okay, they sent me this bomb wig, and y'all finna see. So inside they gave me a wig cap, of course, you know, very much needed when you get a wig. And they gave me some little goodies, y'all. So let me show y'all what's in this bag. Okay, so in this bag you get your edge brush, and then they also give me some earrings, but baby, I'm not wearing them. They're cute, but they're not for me. That's not my style, so I'm just probably getting my mom. And baby's lashes, they are super duper cute, y'all. And I have wore them before, and they are so cute. I hope I can find them. So now I'm bringing out this bomb wig, y'all, because look at it. Okay, you can't tell me, honey, that is not cute. So let me take it out the plastic, of course, and let me show you the wig. So showing you how it looks straight out the little plastic. Okay, you know, you get your little stuff inside to protect your wig, you know, your little styrofoam, your little paper or whatever, and you know, your little net. So I took the little net off, and I'm showing y'all up close how it looks. And baby, this is so cute, but I was so scared because I've never done like fully blonde. So I'm showing y'all the inside, so you already know how the T-part wig looks like. You know, you get your combs, your adjustable strap, and you know your 1 inch of lace on the part area. So one thing I can say about T-parts is you don't get parting space. You only get one part, as you can tell, and you don't really have a lot of parting space on the sides. So I'm gonna show y'all how I take my wigs off. Sometimes I take them off with conditioner, sometimes I take them off with rubbing alcohol. So as you can tell, I'm doing it by alcohol this time. Maybe next time I'll probably do it with conditioner, but this time, you know, alcohol. And then on top of that, like, it didn't take me long to take this wig off, as y'all can see. And if you worry about my edges, y'all, I always been doing my hair like this. Never had a problem. The only problem I have is like after I had my baby and dealing with postpartum. You know, you can lose hair, you can lose teeth, you can lose both, you know, a lot of other things that can happen to women during and after you've been pregnant. So yeah, I'm just letting my edges grow like they need to. So as you see, I'm putting on the wig, y'all, and one thing I can say about T-part wigs is that they are constructed a certain way, and I don't too much care for it because I can't finesse it like I want to. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, I'm putting the wig on. I cut it in 3 sections, and I'm using this glue that I got from the hair store. Now, this is some bomb glue, okay? It's right up there with Ghost Bond and Boho. So I split it in 3 sections, and I'm going to do 3 coats on each 3 sections. And yeah, but as y'all can tell, I do have like a widow's peak, and like my hairline is just, I don't know what to call my hairline, but yeah, it be kind of irritating, especially like on the sides, because I be trying to lay a wig on my head, and it's just like my sideburns and everything just kind of irks my nerves, but it's whatever. So I'm putting the glue on, as y'all can see. And once we're done with that, I'm going to tie it down with my elastic band. You can get it from your hair store, arts and craft place. I mean, wherever you can feel like elastic bands are at, go get some, because it will help you with your meltdown, okay? It will help you with your meltdown. So right here, I was kind of debating on like what I really kind of wanted to do. I was kind of thinking like, did I want to blow dry it, or do I just want to tie it down and just, you know, take some moments to do something else around the house while I let this melt. But yeah, I'm finna stop talking, and I'm finna let y'all watch the little bitty clips. Okay. I lied, y'all. I ain't done talking. So, okay, right here is I'm cutting the lace. Don't come at me about these baby scissors, because I could not find my other scissors, and I was not finna stress myself out over no scissors. So, as you see, I am cutting the lace off. And yeah, I mean, it's alright, but we're gonna fix that little part right there where that got to be, baby. Hit that lace where that got to be, boo, and tie that little baby down. I like that right there. And yeah, so we go tie down per usual. Okay, nothing new, nothing different. And we're gonna grab that blow dryer, and we're gonna blow dry her. Let her speed up her process, because baby, who has time? And right now, as you can see, I am taking down the baby hairs, y'all. I don't know, this wig is, I love the quality of the hair, I love the hair, I love how it feels and everything, but I don't too care for T-parts, but I kind of did my little finesse with the T-part. But as you see on this side, you can kind of tell I was kind of struggling with that side. But don't worry, because, honey, we finna hide the mess out of it. So right here, as you can see, I am curling my baby hairs with the little 1/2 inch. Well, I don't know what inch this is, but yeah, I'm using that to curl my baby hairs, a little flat iron. And yeah, honey. So we finna grab that gas to be spray. And we finna get this edge brush, and we finna lay these baby hairs. So what I do is I spray some on the comb or the brush area, the brush part or the comb part, and you just lay your baby hairs. Don't think too hard on it. These are fluffy baby hairs, by the way. So yeah, that's why they look long. But now, of course, you don't have to do them long, y'all. Y'all can do them however y'all want to, or however you feel like it suits your face and how you want your hair to look. So after we doing that, we're going to tie these down, y'all, and I'm going to come back, and basically this is the end. So yeah.
Alright, you guys, so we have reached the end of this video, y'all. I'm telling you, I'm feeling her, girl. I am feeling her. Okay, I'm finna go get cute, get this dress, go get cute. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm not gonna wear. I might just stay in the house, but I'm staying in the house, take pictures too. Her, you ain't gotta get cute to go nowhere. You can get cute to just stay in the house and take pictures. But anyway, sis, so y'all, this is the end. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all hit the subscribe button and all that good stuff, because yeah, this is giving, y'all. Like, I don't know, y'all stay tuned, because I might end up doing like a burgundy fall color to this wig. So yeah, without further ado, that's the end of this video, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media. It'll be linked down below in the description box, so you will not forget. Okay, go ahead and subscribe, because you're gonna love it over here. Okay, next video may be a drunk get ready with me. You never know, girl, but only time you will know if you subscribe. Make sure you turn on that bell too, so you will be notified when I do post a video. Okay, this hair is giving. It's giving me bad bitch vibes. It's giving me. It's giving the world what it's supposed to give. Okay, so anyways, enough of me talking. Make sure y'all subscribe. Follow me on my social media. Everything be down below, including this hair. Yeah, babes. Bye.
Ay, shawty throw it back, baby, gon' shake it. Ay, keep that shit in motion, keep it rotating. Yeah, she all about the bag, ain't no time wasting. Yeah, she don't want no nigga, baby.